Hey guys, this is John on the free video. It is actually I was going to say Sunday, but it's not. I'm so used to doing these on Sunday. It's actually Friday. I want to kind of get these done a little early this week, just because I really want to wait until see where we are on Monday post expirations before seeing anything big. But I'll show you what I'm thinking. This is going to be the free video here, and on the S&Ps. Really, the story here is that you've got a daily wedge setting up, and you've got a weekly squeeze. If you see the weekly chart here, so. You know, the action here has been pretty sporadic, but you know we are actually semi-bullish here. So I'd actually be interested in buying a decline to the bottom of the wedge around 1190, and then seeing if we can get back to at least the top of the wedge. But I just would be careful here on the short side. I mean, you guys know me; I'm a closet bear. I love being short. I just am still nervous about shorting this market. All right. I did have an interesting week. I sat here with Doc all week and just we were trading different systems. And adding some kind of discretionary basis to some of them. For example, today, when this got long here and came up, when we got a plus, a really high tick reading, I just flattened it. And you know, even though it kind of pulled back a little bit from there, we got the short reading from here. That was one where the system, it fired off the short and then immediately started selling off, kind of moving away from the order. So I just got in kind of at the market instead of, because what will happen in that case is that if it goes like this, and if it's not filled in like 4 minutes, you just miss the trade. So it's actually being able to watch that. And then I just kind of timed it with the ticks. And I found that this is, it's been pretty good just kind of doing this discretionarily. And that is, somebody was asking about the CTA that we're launching in early January, and that's how we're doing it. If you are interested in receiving a disclosure document on this, we are going to launch this in early, the first week in January. It's ready to go. It's a minimum $25,000. There's going to be 5 components to this. It's going to be, I say the 3-minute ES, but you know, there's going to be a discretionary input there, just like I showed, where we can you either stop trading it for the day, time it with the ticks. I just found that when I was watching it before that worked pretty good. Also, and it's sometimes it may be 3-minute, or it may be the other settings that are working better in that current environment, because we can forward test it. Also EuroStoxx 50, as well as running stuff on other stock indexes. And by the way, this just is focusing on stock indexes. We're going to actually launch another program that just focuses on currencies. So the Russell, the NQ, the YM, so they're all in play there, and we can actually do all those different systems. I'm also going to be doing tick fades as they come up. There's the end of day play you guys have seen me do. I'll be doing some of those, as well as just some various squeezes like the 4181 tick and things like that. So this, the slots on here are limited because obviously this is just a day trading system. It doesn't hold anything overnight. Obviously at some point you have to cut it off because you can't do like 2,000 Russell contracts or anything like that. So it is kind of on a first come first serve basis. Again, the minimum is 25K. And of course, and the disclosure document will show you all the, obviously a lot of risks involved and things like that in trading futures, but it will explain it to you. And if you would like one of those to get a spot in this program, you can email me, John, John, at TradeTheMarkets.com, and I will get that over to you. All right, you guys have a good weekend, and we'll see you at the next update.